women non-fancy over here on this side. We're going to split the arena. Judges. Okay, Trey's going to come on and have the judges in the middle facing the appropriate category. We'd like to call down the announcers that here for the gathering. Dennis Bowen Sr., Vince Bile. Please come on down, accept the gift on behalf of Jocey and family. Dennis Bowen Sr. and Vince Bile. Trey, let me know when you're ready. You know how the sheriff deputizes a deputy? I'm going to deputize you as a Randy director right now. So Randy, you can go and chill out and yeah, Dorinda, where's Dorinda? Is she here? Okay. All right, here we go. Are we ready to go? Judges. The boys, we're back to you. Hope. Line up over there, ladies, right there in front of your judges.
Are you really? Yeah.
Settle down now, Ben. Settle down. Here are the top four in the junior women fancy that normally dance fancy. 1035, 1044, 1039, and 1028. The senior women 35 and older fancy finalists. Dancer number 1031, dancer number 1048, dancer number 1037, and dancer number 151. 35 and older fancy dancers right here in front of us. Bobby Lynn Frederick, what's your number? All right. Dancer number 1048, Tung Chi Karman. Dancer number 1037, Star White Eye. Dancer number 151. And the junior women, 1035. Lauren Oaks, 1044. 1039. Brenna Wawiatan, 1044. Amber Cleveland, and 1028. Tiara Roberts. We still need dancer number 151 in the senior women 35 and older top four. 1229. Dancer number 1229, you are fourth place champion. Come a running.
Oh, no, we don't.
Junior women 18 to 34, non-fancy. There she is, Amanda Ironstar. And normally she dances jingle. She receives a satin star quilt, an envelope of cash, a basket with embroidery, Cheryl Iron makeup bag. That's Cheryl Iron made that. And a keychain with matching earrings. And also there's a pacifier in there too for Darwin. Yeah. Third place, dancer number 1179. Dancer number 1179. Lorena Lastly. Raina Lastly, also a jingle dress dancer. Raina also receives a satin star quilt, envelope of cash, Cheryl Iron makeup bag, earrings, keychain, and a bag of commodity rice to throw at her mom and Wayne. Coming up soon. In second place, dancer number 1222. 1222 in the non-fancy. And I do believe that is Prairie Rose Jack. Prairie Rose, come a running. You are a second place champion, also a jingle dress dancer. And also a satin star quilt, just like the rest. And your champion in the junior women's fancy, non-fancy, dancer number 540. Number 540. There she is, Aiden Tatusas. Also a jingler. She wins a cash envelope, artwork by Whirlwind Bull, a champion coat, a gift basket, the satin star quilt. Yeah. All right. Now the senior women non-fancy. In fourth place, dancer number 1727. Dancer number 1727. Senior women non-fancy. There she is, Danita Goodwill. Southern buckskin dancer. In third place, dancer number 1250. 1250. Acacia Reddout, a jingle dress dancer. I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but every one of these dancers are receiving a satin star quilt. It's a travel size one, they said, so you can take it anywhere and put it up on any motel room wall. Yeah. Second place, number 1162. Number 1162. The senior women non-fancy. Winona Tadanepa. Also a jingler. And that means your champion in the senior women non-fancy, dancer number 1196. Your champion receiving the custom artwork, the champion jacket, the satin star quilt, the cash envelope, Grace Pushatanikwa Hill. Throw it in there, Daryl. All right. Oh my gosh. The back of these coats are fully embroidered. Hold on, let me hold that envelope. Yeah. Put it on.
Yeah, I've done a couple out there.
Man, those are nice.
Yeah.
All the winners, we're going to ask you to stay for one